Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my pencil box. My pencil box is very special to me. It is red in color and has a cartoon design. It is made of plastic and has a strong zipper. I keep my pencils, erasers, sharpeners and pens inside it. My pencil box helps me keep my stationery organized. It has two compartments to store different items. I always carry it to school every day. I keep my pencil box clean and neat. My friends also like my pencil box. I love my pencil box very much. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.